5 side hustles to make extra money in 2025. Struggling to cover rising expenses? You don't need a second job. You just need the right side hustle. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven side hustles anyone can start today to make extra money on the side. Number 1. Delivery driving. Delivery apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Deliveroo make it easy to earn cash on your own schedule. You don't need special skills, just a bike, scooter, or car. Many drivers make $15 to $25 an hour during peak times. Number 2. Freelancing online. If you have skills like writing, design, or video editing, freelancing can bring in serious side income. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you post services for free. Even beginners can charge $10 to $20 an hour for basic tasks like data entry or Canva designs. Number 3. Selling items online. Got unused stuff lying around? Sell it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Vinted. Many people make hundreds a month just by flipping old electronics, clothes, or furniture. Once you run out of your own stuff, try flipping items from thrift stores or clearance aisles. Number 4. Online tutoring. If you're good at math, languages, or even music, you can tutor online. Platforms like Preply and Tutor.com connect you with students worldwide. Tutors often earn $20 to $50 an hour depending on the subject. Number 5. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals? Apps like Rover let you get paid to walk dogs or pet sit. It's flexible, fun, and can earn you an extra $200 to $500 a month depending on demand in your area. These 5 side hustles are simple, flexible, and perfect for making extra income. Which one would you try first? Comment below. And if you want more money-making ideas, hit subscribe because your financial freedom starts today.